What's up, guys? This is my bike check. This is my Verde Vex. It's got all custom parts. We got animal Edwin grips. Just got them nice and grippy, not worn in. Flanges a little messed up. I'm gonna keep them on. Animal bar ends. They're pretty nice. Eastern Wonder Year bars, 8-inch rise, 28 width. Well, that's what they're stock. I think they're grinded down. Eastern Strangler top load stem, 55 reach. It's nice. Really grabs onto the bar. It's got a cutout right here and right there, like it bolts onto the fork. Kink headset. Pretty good. I got it to work finally. Kink fork. I think it's off the Kink app, or it's a Kink Empire. I'm not too sure. Curb Monkey tire. HP. Shadow Raptor hub, shadow spokes, shadow stun rim, custom valve cap, Kenda tube, Verde Vex frame with a bunch of stickers on it. We got a Kink bottom bracket right there, demolition, metal 1s or 2s, I'm not too sure. All I know is they're welded. My cousin broke them. Shadow Conspiracy slimmer seat, I think it's called. They don't make it anymore for Pivotal. It's pretty nice. Bmx post painted. Shadow Scream sprocket in white. KMC chain in purple. Shadow Raptor hub in the back. The Shadow Stun rim. And an Odyssey tire. That's what my bike looks like. And yeah, that's my bike check.